This is the blue list. Number 1 is throat. I had a sore throat, so I sipped some hot soup. Number 2 is wheel. The wheel of my bicycle got stuck in the mud. Number 3 is thorn. I pricked my thumb on a thorn on the rose. Number 4 is whale. The whale swam through the ocean. Number 5 is think. Think carefully before you try to spell this word. Number 6 is whisk. I will whisk the eggs and then add the flour while baking the cookies. Number 7 is thrill. Riding the tall roller coaster was a big thrill. Number 8 is 13. I will put 13 candles on your cake. Number 9 is what. I'm not sure what I'm having for dinner tonight. Number 10 is when. When will you be finished with your homework?